Welcome back, ladies. How you all doing today? I hope you all are having a great day. Thank you all so much for stopping by today. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. So for today's video, as you have seen in the title, it's things that you own in your closet. Yes, sis, I'm talking to you. You have those things right into your closet, and sometimes you say, I have nothing to wear. Alright, ladies, so today I'm going to be styling those simple basic, what we regard as basic items in our closet. In this video, I chose to use two pairs of shoes that I think they're very essential for every one of us to own in our closet. If you already owned it, yes girl, and if you don't have it and you think you will like it, please go ahead and purchase it. You can see so many of them in the market. They are very affordable. And in this video also, you're going to need two blazers, and you will see the colors and you will see why I said they are those things that you're going to need. They are very essential. Some of us, we own them already. It's just how to dress them up and pair them with this, pair them with that will make a difference. It's not something new. All the things I'm going to be featuring, like I said, you own it in your closet, I own them in my closet as well. On this channel, I am all about looking good is not equal to breaking the bank. If you can restyle your clothes different ways several times, kudos, my dear sister. You're saving yourself a lot of money. And if need be for you to purchase something, if you have an outing, why not go for it? So we're going to go ahead on today's video. If you see me looking down, I'm looking at my list in order not to forget what I wrote down. So the first thing on my list is jean pants. Who doesn't hold a jean pant in their closet, except if it is not your style? We have them in different styles, in different shapes, in different cuts, in different colors, in different textures. All right, but today I already put together the way I'm going to style it to upgrade it a little bit to make it look nice. Remember, I said on this video I'm using just two pairs of shoes, two pairs of blazer that we're going to need, and we're going to use it to just everything up. So this is my first look that I created with a jean pant.
She wanna know me, I stay low-key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD, I get in my...
You all can see, it's just a plain white t-shirt. Who doesn't own that? To top it up with just your pant, with your jean pants, whatever style that suits that flatter your body type, or whatever one that you like, you're good to go. Alright, ladies, the next thing on my list is a jean skirt. Who doesn't own a jean skirt in their closet? If you don't own it, maybe because it's not your style, that's okay. You all know that in the store we have different type of style of skirts. We have the midi skirts, we have the mini skirts, we have different pattern, we have different style, we have the one with embellished, we have the one without embellishment. It's just different ways, and the one I put together is just a slitted skirt at the front and two pockets at the back, and I just style it up this way, and this is how I put it up for you. Let me stop laughing. Enjoy, ladies.
I wait, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up. We finna go deep. Riding on a team. Got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you.
Next thing on my list is the white pants. I believe most of my ladies will have this in their closet. You know why? Because it's classic, timeless, and you can always style it up however way you like it. We have different types of white shades in the market, and also pants are in different styles, different cuts. We have structure, which is tailored pants. We have skinny pants, different kind of white pants are in the store. So you can use the one that you already have in your closet to recreate this look that I'm about to show you. The bottom line is you own these things in your closet, sis. So enjoy the third outfit.
Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you.
The next thing on my list is a black pants. We all own this. Every one of us, we have this in our closet. And you know, in the store we have different types of black pants. It could be a flare pant, it could be a skinny pant, it could be with a embellishment or without. We all own a black pants. The most one I would recommend that you might have already or you don't have is just a plain black pants, and the reason is because it's timeless, it's classic. You can style it anyhow with any shade of top. This is how I style one that I have at home.
Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care, it's getting too late. I want you and I can't wait. Don't wanna spend a minute without you. I know you feel the same. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up.
The next on my list is a black skirt. We have them in different styles. We have them in straight, mini, different textures, different design. So it's depending on your preference, your preference and what you already own in your closet. In this video, I only style it with white, and you can see that I've been using the blazer, and you see the reason why I said you only need 2 pairs of blazer that are basic in your closet. If you already own them, my ladies, I applaud you. And if you don't have it already, please lay your hands on it. Black and white blazer, you just need that, and you'll be able to use them to style any of your outfits. If you're still watching this video so far, if today is your first time coming across my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and do turn on your notification post so as to get notified whenever I have a new video. And for those of you who are still hanging in there watching this video, thank you so much. I appreciate you. Let's continue with this video. So the next thing I'm going to recommend that you already have, what you already own in your closet, is black little dress. We all own that in our closet. If you don't have it, please go ahead and purchase it. They are very, very affordable. You will see the one that you can use to dress up very, very elegant depending on where you're going. They have it in tube style, spaghetti stripe, short sleeve, long sleeve. It's how the black dress is very essential in our closet. And the one I'm featuring today, I've owned it for a very long time. I actually purchased it on Fashion Nova. When I purchased that one is very old and it's still timeless. It does look like I just purchased it, and this is how I will style it.
Ain't nothing I won't do for your body. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite.
The next on my list is the leather pants. Leather pants can be tricky to style depending on how you want to style it. Sometimes it might make you to look very tough, like a tough girl. Give you a little bit of masculinity, especially how you style it. But in this video, I chose to style it in a way that it's going to look more feminine and look more girly.
Like this, I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love, all of your love. I can't fake it. When I'm with you, my legs go weak. Yeah. Can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat. Yeah. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night long. There's something special about you. You're the one that I want. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do for you.
So the top I pair with the leather pants, it's another color entirely that I believe you might own as a girl, or a lady, as a woman. Alright, ladies, this is how I pair my own leather pants to make it more look girly and more feminine and chic.
Your body, so give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love.
And the last outfit on my list is black on black. Black on black is timeless, it's classic. Like, most occasion you can wear black on black too. Black on black is something that if you don't know what to wear, you can just put it together. If you want to go for black and black all the way, it's always amazing. And if you want to jazz it up with some other color, it is amazing as well. It's just touch of color here and there, and whatever accessories you pair with it will also upscale the look of black and black. My recommendation is always to do black from up to down, to give it effortless chic style. So this is how I put together my black on black. I hope you enjoy it.
All of your love, won't you love me till the morning? Love me in the evening, you know what I want. Won't you hold me like I'm yours? Show me that I'm yours, you know just what I want. Won't you love me like the last time, like our time was right now? Show me what it's about. Love me till the morning, love me in the evening, you know what I want. I know I'm yours, baby, so come give me love. You know you're mine, baby, so come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, babe.
Alright ladies, I hope you all enjoy watching this video. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Most of the things I featured are things I believe most of you own before. Please say yes in the comment section if I am right. Alright ladies, these are very basic items that we already own in our closet. Thank you so much for watching ladies. I appreciate you all. God bless you all, and until next time, remain blessed. I will see you in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.